Ah! This fell was too felly that I fell forever. And why am I here? Why am I not dead? I need to figure this out. Who is that in the distance? I think I needed to talk to him. Who are you? I am your worst nightmare. Really? Nah, I'm just screwing with ya. I'm really your key to freedom. Really? Yeah. Oh, thank Lord. It was too boring here. Just a closet with some guys over there. Now let me free from this madness. Thank you. Thank you. Zap. To be continued.